So let's say now you want to, you already have seen that how the data is looking like. This is the data set. Let's say now you have to select some columns, not the complete data set with all the columns, but you need to just select the age column. How you would select only the age column? How you just write the train, and inside the bracket you just write age like this. You get the values of age. Now if you see that this is the, if you write what is the type of this, if you write what is the type of this, then this is saying that this is pandas series, because we started with the pandas data frame, then we selected a column age from the pandas data frame. So since it is having only one column, we don't have more than one column, so it has converted from pandas data frame into a series. It's like a vector format. Now if you want to convert this pandas data frame into say numpy array, so what you will do, right, like this dot values, you just write like this dot values, and you get all these values, and it says now it is a numpy array. So if you write the type of this, now you will see that type of this is numpy. It's a numpy n dimensional array. It is one dimensional array. So basically we have pandas series and then we have numpy array. So if you want numpy array, then you just write dot values. So these are the pandas series, and it has missing values as you can see here. NaN, NaN, NaN. This is the numeric column which has the missing values in it. So age is a numeric column. Now say you want to select two columns, age and survived. So now it is now age, survived, and like this. So you have, this is missing value in age, but it's saying the person, this person has not survived, and wherever you have one, then that is survived actually. Now it is saying 891 rows and 2 columns. So basically this is our data frame, pandas data frame. If you again write like this type, you see this is a pandas data frame. Okay, so now you know how to select the columns. Now say you want to fill the age column where you have the missing values. What you will do is you will use the function fill NA. So train age, first you will select this column, then use the method. For using the method, you write dot and use the function fill NA, and with what you want to fill. Let's say if you want to fill it with 0, if you click this, you will have 0 wherever you had the missing values. For an example, in 5th row you have NaN. Now in 5th row you have 0. In 17th row you have NaN. In 17th row you have 0. Now if you fill Na with minus 99, again in 5th row you have minus 99, 17th row you have minus 99. But since age is a numeric column, what we are assuming, but what we are saying is, let's say we have some median or mean age of the complete passengers in this data set, and wherever you have the missing value in the age, let's fill those with the median value of this age. So what you are doing is train age, selecting this values of age, and we are basically filling it with the median of that. Now the median becomes 28. In the 5th row you have 28, in 17th row also 28. So wherever you have missing values, you have filled with the median value of the age. Now let's say you want to select, or you can say you want to filter the data set. You know now how you can select one column, how you can select two columns, how you can fill the missing value in a single column. Now I'm going to tell you how you can filter the data set. So let's say let's do it in the next video.